To connect Etrade to Quicken, start by opening the Quicken software and clicking on the Tools option from the top bar. This will open a drop-down menu, where you need to select the Add Account option. Next, use the search bar to search for Etrade, and from the search results, select the Quicken Etrade option. Then click the Next button. You will then be prompted to choose the type of connection you want to establish, either in expired web connection, direct connection, or web connection. Select your preferred connection type and click Next. Enter your Etrade username and password. Fill in the required details, and click the Done button. Once you've completed these steps, your Etrade account will be linked to Quicken. The process is quick and easy, so following these steps should be straightforward.